Hey there, fabulous folks! Want to share your location using WhatsApp location sharing? Buckle up for a quick tutorial ride. Today, I will show you how it is done. First things first, pop open that WhatsApp app. Now, click on the chat sign to find the person you want to share the location to. And here comes the fun part. Click on the chat feed and then tap that little paperclip sign from the side. Select the location option. Now, you've got two rad choices. Either send your current location to the person you are sharing it with, or pick a spot from the list that screams, "This is where the cool kids hang out." In simple words, any location that you want to share. But wait, there's more. Feeling a bit James Bondish? Share your live location by hitting Add Share Live Location. Choose your time, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or go all in with 8 hours. Boom, now they can track your every move like you're a secret agent on a mission. And when you're ready to go off the grid, hit stop sharing like the superhero you are. That's the lowdown on being a WhatsApp location maestro. Got burning questions or just want to shower us with love? Drop them in the comments below. Smash the like button if this tutorial rocked your socks and make sure you are subscribed.